Okay, today I'm at AC Hotel Penang. Okay, this is Iskandar here, the boss here. Okay, I'm going to check the HB LV room as well as test run the genset. Okay, first of all, currently I'm now inside the genset room. I'm going to check the parameters first before test run the genset. Okay, here we have the genset as usual. Let's take a look at the belting. Okay, belting is in good condition. Okay, no problem here. As we see here, make sure there's no leaking of engine oil. No engine oil leaking, no radiator water leaking, and no fuel leakage. Alright, here no problem. Okay, then let's take a look at the battery. Battery, okay, just recently been serviced, no issue. However, there's some symptom of overcharging. Okay, we will monitor on that. Okay, no loose termination. Cable, okay, workable, still can use. Okay, then we check the engine oil. Okay, engine oil a bit dirty, advisable to do the genset servicing to replace the engine oil. As been known, the engine oil has not been replaced for more than 5 years. Okay, there's no leakage here. Everything okay. This is a filter. Okay, here we have the genset. The current fuel is almost about 50%. Okay, advisable to top up back above 50% if possible, but 50% is still okay. Okay, here we have the genset AMF panel, and here is the battery voltage. Currently is about 28 volt. We will have a fine measurement using the voltmeter. Calibration, okay, up to date. Okay, Borang B just recently renewed. Okay, now we are going to check the radiator water level. Okay, the water is clean, available and sufficient. Alright. Okay, this is the genset AMF panel. Currently it's set at auto mode. Okay, we're going to test run it one time using test mode. Okay, we test. Okay, after the genset has stopped automatically, so now we enter into the HV room. Okay, this is a HV room. Okay, first of all, this meter indicates that TMD power supply is available. Let's check the protection relay. Make sure all the protection relay is in good condition. Okay, and then here we have a tripping unit. It's a dry type tripping unit. Okay, no issue here. In good condition. Alright. Okay. As I touches here, I can feel some heat here. That means the VCD panel, the heater is in good condition. Alright, no moisture inside the room. This rubber mat need to replace. Okay, here we have a transformer, two Onan transformer. Okay, here we have the temperature. Okay, in good condition. Maximum temperature is about 60 degrees Celsius. Then the current temperature is just below 50. Okay, no problem. It's in good condition. And then there's another one transformer here, transformer number 2. Current temperature is about 45 and maximum is about 60. The alarm is 80, the tripping is 90. Okay, oil level is in quite high, no issue here. Oil level. Okay, oil available. Here as well, oil level available. No issue here. Okay, all the protection indicator, no jam. Okay. Okay, I'm going to check the heater and make sure the heater is in good condition by checking the amp of all the heater. Okay, here we have 0.16 amp. Okay. Kalau ada amp bermakna heater okay lah. Okay, here we have 0.3 amp. Alright. Tu heater amp sikit sajalah dia guna. 0.3. Same. 0.3. Okay, heater is in good condition. Okay, this is a chiller room. Okay, within permissible range. Ini voltage penting mau jaga. Kalau dia shoot lebih dekat-dekat 250 single phase you kena jaga itu tap Because dulu ini kita pernah adjust itu tap dari 3 pergi 1. So kalau dia tinggi barang cepat rosak. Ini semua sudah tukar dah. Okay, dulu rosak. Dan dulu masa saya buat thermal scan, sini pun ada barang rosak sini. Macam ni lah, dulu saya tulis ni lah, MCCB not able to trip. Ini tak boleh trip. This one. Tapi kalau ada peluang boleh lah tukar, because ini model sudah terlalu lama. Lepas tu ini baru lah ya. Ini pun belum tukar lagi. ini dulu sudah rosak. Ini lah masa kita buat servicing, lepas tu kita ambil satu tukar untuk dia. Tapi boleh guna lah, boleh guna at this moment. Ini kena selalu check ada loose termination lah. Ini color you tengok Kalau sekarang ini color very bright ataupun PVC tape. PVC kalau any degree Celsius above 60 degree Celsius dia akan tukar warna hitam. Kalau you tengok macam ni, okey, ini okey, ini okey, ini okey, ini okey. Bila you tengok ada macam simptom dia tukar warna gelap. Sini okey lah. Oh. Sini pun okey. Kalau dia tukar jadi dari warna terang macam ni guna jadi warna gelap, bermakna dia ada simptom overheating. Overheating selalu berpunca daripada kabel undersize ataupun loose termination. Macam sini kadang-kadang sometimes dia selama ada sikit ni ataupun getah ni akan menjadi keras. So kena tengok ada simptom tu tak. Selalu because ini motor dia high amp. Dia high amp, dia selalu boleh jadi loose termination. Kalau tak ada loose termination tak ada masalah.
Jadi saya mau buka wire. Boleh
okay. Then another thing is, you pernah dengar itu reverse power tak?
Reverse power ya.
Okay. Kalau sometimes you tengok you punya cap bank ataupun you punya motor ada itu contactor just jam, you kena tukar itu contactor. Ada setengah orang dia cakap contactor jam tak ada hal mah. Dia macam switch. Yang penting boleh ada power lalu saja. Boleh bukan tak ada, bukan open, dia close. Memang. Tapi bila TNB power supply dia tiba-tiba tak ada, dia ada balik, tak ada, ada balik, dia boleh jadi reverse power menyebabkan incoming meletup. Banyak case jadi macam tu, selalu dekat motor side. Nanti kita pergi LV, I will explain further. Okay, here we are inside the LV room. Okay. Okay, here we have the cap bank. Oh, hotel side. Okay, hotel side. Okay. Okay, inside here, it is very important to make sure the capacitor bank contactor is always in good condition and the contact is never jammed. The reason why is so important because when this contactor is jammed, for most of the people, if the contactor is jammed, there's no problem because the cap bank still in use and every time in use, 24 hours in use, as long as it can be used, yes. But however, when you have TNB power dip or TNB no power and then suddenly within 1 or 2 seconds power come back, it can cause a reverse power because the contactor is a protection also. What we call protection is no wood release. Whenever you have a power supply interruption, the contactor will release because there's no voltage. As it releases, the output power kVAR cannot go back to the system. Just like motor, when the motor is running, pump or any motor is running, there's a contactor holding it. When suddenly TNB no power supply, the contactor will release, but your motor or your pump is still turning and it will become a generator. So to avoid the reverse power, when there's no power coming to the control system, this will release, it will open circuit, so the reverse power cannot go back, cannot feed back to the upcoming system. So it won't clash with the sudden incoming power supply from the main source. So there won't be any reverse power. But if your contactor is jammed, then suddenly no power from TNB, but your motor is still turning or your cap bank is not discharged yet, there's output kVAR here, suddenly your TNB supply come back, then it will crash and your incoming side will have explosion and it will cause your termination explode and cause your breaker or your ACD or your contact to damage. So the cost is very high to repair. So contactor is a protection actually, we call no wood release. That's why until today, even people using the chiller or whatever pump or whatever, they still prefer to use contactor because when there's no power supply, the contactor release, it gives you a protection from reverse power. kita tengok ID cap 19M 30 kVAR. Okay, 525 here using. Okay. Okay. Ini so trip. So rosak. So trip. Okay, 2 trip. 3 trip. That's why no M, sudah rosak. Okay, ini okay. Ini okay. Ini okay. Ada trip. Ada step yang tak berfungsi ini so trip. Ini ini okay. Yang I think kalau ini yang trip ni I think so rosak, repair balik, I think tak perlu masuk semua step. That's why kalau dia masuk semua step mesti something wrong already. Ini cap bank. Tengok sudah trip. Selalu you tengok kalau, tapi sekarang dia ada bagi signal bagi dia on. Tapi kalau sini tak bagi signal dia on, dia sudah trip. Ini contactor masih masuk, bermakna contactor sudah jam. Recommended tukar sekali. Sometimes because of this contactor jam then cap bank tak rosak lagi, masa TMB power dip dan ada balik, dia boleh cause reverse power. Reverse power sometimes bukan saja ini rosak, you know, ini incoming semua rosak. Tapi you pernah tengok yang semua itu incomer yang sini. Dia bukan sini. Sini semua meletup. Tapi dia bukan ada short because of reverse power. Itu memang switch spot baru pun kena. Bila contactor jam, it's always happen. Sekarang here kita ada ATS panel ini ATS. So kita akan trigger genset jalan dari sini, tapi tanpa menyebabkan power interruption. Okay, kita akan first of all check mana genset fuse. Genset fuse, okay, G. Okay, kita tarikan G ke luar. Okay, lepas tu kita akan trigger ini UVR relay. Kita pilih salah satu fuse. Saya pilih yellow lah. Okay. Okay, kan kita tunggu genset jalan. Ini sudah trigger. Dengar bunyi. Okay, bila genset sudah jalan, okay, kita bagi dia beberapa saat stable dulu. Okay, sudah stable. Okay, sudah stable. Lepas tu okay, next ada video. Okay, then sudah stable kita mau stabilize this UVR relay first. Okay, kita masuk balik ni. Okay, bagi ini stable. Okay, ini stable. Ini timer jalan dulu. Okay, bagi dia stable. Okay, sudah stable, contactor masuk. Okay, baru kita masuk balik fuse ni. Okay, so sini tak change over, no power interruption, then kita boleh call genset start from here. So kalau kita guna cara ujian ni, kita boleh confirm genset boleh start automatic, dan nanti kita tunggu dia stop, then baru confirm boleh stop automatic. So dari sini bila kita masuk fuse sini, so sini sudah ada lampu. Sini tak ada lampu sampai, mungkin sudah rosak lah. So sini akan ada power supply sampai sini. So dari sini kita boleh check voltage, frequency, single phase, 3 phase, and also frequency. Kalau frequency kita dapat 50 Hz, confirm genset jalan 1500 RPM. So ini test penting because you boleh confirm, sini boleh call genset jalan automatic, boleh call genset stop automatic.